Hello friends, if your plant cuttings do not root, but they rot or stay the same for weeks, with zero growth, you are not alone. In this video, I will show you the 10 most common reasons cuttings fail to root, and exactly how to fix them, so you can grow unlimited new plants for free. Don't ignore the mistake number 10. Let us start. Mistake 1. You are cutting above the node, not below it. The biggest mistake beginners make is cutting too far above the node. A node is the bumpy point on the stem where leaves or buds emerge. A cutting only forms roots from the nodes, not from leaves, not from stems. The cutting should have at least one node, so always cut 1 to 2 centimeters below a healthy node. Mistake 2. You are using a weak or old cutting. Soft, thin, or yellowing stems do not root. This newly grown soft stem is not good for rooting most of the plants. There are only some plants, like roses and crotons, that grow from softwood cuttings. This too old woody stem will also struggle to root. To fix this stem, 1 year old, with at least one node, more are better. Mistake 3. The cutting is too big or too small. Cuttings that are too long lose water and dry out. Cuttings that are too short don't have enough stored energy. Ideal cutting size, 10 to 15 centimeters long, 3 to 4 millimeters thick like a pencil, with 2 to 3 healthy leaves. Remove bottom leaves and cut top large leaves into half to reduce water loss. Mistake 4. The node is not in the water or soil. If the node is above the water or soil, your cutting will never root, because nodes are the places where roots grow. To fix it, make sure you put the node in soil or water. Do not submerge the leaves, it will cause rot. Mistake 5. Dirty water equals instant rot. Cloudy water carries bacteria, which quickly attacks the open stem. This is why many cuttings turn brown, mushy, and fail to root in water. To fix it, use clean water. Clean the jar regularly. Use glass containers so you can see water clarity. Change water every 3 to 5 days. Mistake 6. Incorrect rooting medium for soil propagation. Infected soil will rot cuttings because the bacteria attack the open stem. To fix it, use fresh, sterile potting mix. 2. Cuttings in soil will rot if the water does not drain out. So use free draining potting mix. Add some perlite or river sand in soil to make it free draining. Mistake 7. Not enough humidity for soil cuttings. Cuttings often die in soil because they lose water faster than they can grow roots. To fix it, cover the pot with a plastic bag. Keep the soil slightly moist. Place in bright indirect light. High humidity helps the cuttings survive. Mistake 8. Too much direct sunlight. Many people place cuttings directly in a sunny place. This heats the water or soil, kills the stem cells, and causes rot. The best place is in indirect light, at a warm place. Mistake 9. Temperature is too low. Roots grow slow or fail when temperatures drop below 18 degrees Celsius. To fix it, Keep cuttings in a warm place at 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Never place pots near cold drafts. A warm environment equals faster rooting. Mistake 10. Wrong plants for cuttings. Some plants root much better in water. Some root faster in soil. Using the wrong method don't work. If your cutting keeps failing in water, switch to soil and keep humidity high. Watch my detailed video on plant propagation that root in water or soil, whose links you will find in description section. Now you know exactly why plant cuttings fail and how to fix each mistake. If the lower part of your cutting becomes dark, it shows too much water in soil. Upper part has become dry, shows lack of humidity. Try these simple changes, and you will see fast, healthy roots on almost any plant. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment which plant you want me to cover next. Happy gardening!